we had the door open to the kitchen, and Papa was sitting in the living room, and I heard a noise, and I thought, what is that? So I went into the kitchen, and I looked, and there was a bird sitting on our counter, trying to fly out of the door. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
And then I went and I tried to scoot it out the window, and then it flew into our dining room.
Yeah.
It flew into the dining room and flew near our kitchen table. So I tried to open the window to let it out, and then it got scared, and then flew toward the big windows. And no, the big windows in the living room, and flew and hit the big windows in the living room. Went boom. Yeah.
That's a whistle.
Yeah. It did it whistle. Yeah. And then it walked down the hallway and walked underneath the crack of the door into the bedroom, where you and Mama and Ollie were taking a nap. And I came in and I said, "There's a bird in here." And Mama woke up and said, "Where?" And I said, "In here, in the room." And she said, "Where?" And I said, "I don't know." So then we started looking for the bird, and realized the bird was under our dresser. Yeah, and then
under bed.
And then it walked under our bed, and then it walked back under our bed.
Yeah.
And then it flew up onto the windowsill.
Yeah.
And we thought it left, but then it didn't. And then it went into our closet. Then I shut the door.
Net.
And I tried to get the net to catch it. And remember, we opened the window. And then I opened the window, and then I opened the closet door, and it flew out the window.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you were crying, remember? Why were you crying?
I'm scared.
You were scared?
I like a leaf. I like a leaf.
You were shaking like a leaf?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was kind of scary, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's read.
Your turn to tell it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
And the phone, the living room, the go, yeah. Oh, it's a prayer house. And then Papa the net. Yeah.
Yep, I got the net, and then what?
The phone, that's right in there. And then just the ship, the bird, the cheshire.
And were you scared?
You wait.
Okay. Was that the end? The end.